Malweni avahlo bam wamkele kile kui Ikeli Lila. I just finished the first lesson in my new xhosa school, which has been great. I love being back to school with teachers and people and parts from all around the world. It's fantastic. I want to teach my mother, Mama Laura, two beautiful words in isiXhosa. The first word is to begin, to start. So it's this first word here is ala. Can you feel that sound I made? Ala, ala. It's called click. isiXhosa has 3 clicks. So this one is the Q. The Q is always like if you're knocking on the door. Who's there? Okay, and the second word is very nice and it's qonda. Qonda. I understand. It's to understand. It's not I understand. It's to understand. It's qonda. Qonda. Oh, this one doesn't sound very nice, but we have to practice because practice makes perfect. So let's go practicing together. Okay, mommy, I'm waiting for you, and I'm waiting for you all on Ikeli Lila. Goodbye. Bye bye.